Hi students, this is Fitchorn and we're working on our Wix website for our digital portfolio final. We have just finished naming all of our navigation, I guess you'd call them buttons in your menu, and the pages that correspond by clicking down here and managing our pages, and then using the edit button to the right to change settings or titles or to drag and drop. And then we went through each page and we changed the gallery to be what we needed it to be. So if you look and see in my elements and principles, I've successfully deleted my images here and that were in the pre-designed template, and now I've added my own images, and then I've gone in, once I've added my own images, I add the titles of the projects. So that you see my process of what that took, I'm going to go ahead and show you in the manual settings page. So in the manual settings page, for now, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this text box here. And you'll see there's already a gallery there, and this is fine with me, except for, remember I told you that different galleries have different settings. This one, I believe, it just shows a cutoff of the different photos, and then in preview, if you look and see how they perform in preview mode, when you click on them, you can name your image title here. So if I've got the projects that I need for your manual settings, it is right here listed. You need your blur motion, you need your stop motion, you need your panning, and you need your depth of field as well as your shadows project. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through that. All right, so the first thing we have to do is manage our media. It tells you right here, go to manage your media to add your content. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to editor, and I'm going to manage my media, and I'm talking, and you're going to make sure you delete out any of the photos that are not yours to start fresh. And notice that some of them are rectangular horizontally and some are rectangular vertically, and that's perfect for what we've got to do. So now I need to add my media, and I'm going to add images, and I've already downloaded onto my desktop the blur motion ones. You can see I don't have them in my cache file yet. I need to upload them now. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and get my depth of field uploaded. Oops, did that wrong. Let's try this again. All right, you should be able to take depth of field and add it into, I don't know why it keeps doing it over here. Let's go ahead and see upload media. There we go. Upload from computer. So I'm going to take my depth of field. Oh, this is so weird. It should just drag from the folder. I'm going to see if putting it on my desktop first works, and then upload from, nope, it doesn't like it like that. So instead of dragging and dropping, I'm going to click upload from computer, and then I'm going to choose from my downloads all the ones. I've got my camera motion, my depth of field, my panning, and my subject motion, and I'm going to click open. All right, and you'll see it adds it to your gallery here. You're uploading your files. The only one I don't have is shadows. I'll get that one in a second. I just want to make this a quick video for you. All right, so as you can see, you want to go ahead and decide which photos you're going to add to this page. So I would go ahead and click, holding the shift key, the photos you want to add to this page, and then go ahead and click done. And it should change all the photos. So now what you have to do is manage, when you click on each one of these, what they go to. So when you go into settings, you can go ahead and do that in there, but we're going to do text later. For right now, I just want you to put your images in there, and there you go. You have your gallery, you have your images uploaded. We'll work on text later on how to change it if you've got this where you have to click on it to see the names of the projects, or you can do like I did in that other elements and principles page, and you can just go ahead and add your headings here. And then we also, oops, sorry, sometimes you have to make sure you're grabbing the right thing. Okay, you edit the text. We're going to change that to center alignment, and then we're going to go ahead and type, this one was stop motion. Make sure you label them correctly. or you're going to get points off, and then you would just go and label each one, but we still need to edit it so that way when you go into preview mode, if you look and see, I want to be able to click on this. Oh, that's interesting. There it goes. It's a little bit rich, but you can go ahead and add text here if you want to describe what stop motion is. We'll do that later on. For right now, let's just leave it photos with titles, just like in the elements and principles page. I've got my gallery nice and tidy. Everything's on there that Fitchorn wants to be on there. The only thing I haven't labeled is my EOA POD grid. And then that is it for this part of the tutorial. Thanks, guys.